Let me bring in Hakan Samuelsson, who is the CEO of Volvo, and we're going to talk about this gorgeous vehicle behind us in just a little bit. But let's start first off with the deal that you announced not long ago with Uber, where Volvo will be supplying vehicles to Uber that ultimately will be self-driving Uber vehicles. Tell me a little bit about the deal.
To have a safe driving car is very important to have the redundancy on the actuator side. That is brake system, electricity, steering. Everything has to be dual to really make the car safe. And that is a car that we have developed together with Uber, and that's what we are going to supply to them.
Realistically, when will we see the day that I can call up on my Uber app a vehicle and it shows up without anybody behind the steering wheel? Are we looking 2020, 2022? When do you see that happening?
I think you have to ask Uber about that. We have now an agreement that we will start delivering these base cars from 19, 20 and 21 is really the frame agreement. It could be up to 24,000 cars. But timing-wise, I can say we will use that car into Volvo vehicles, where it will be more a highway autopilot, where you can sit back and relax, read your mails or whatever. And their realistic time frame could be 2021. That's what we are seeing.
And you believe the market's ready to embrace this?
Absolutely. I think there is a lot of people who would like to use the commute time for something more productive than sitting watching the steering wheel. I mean, it's better reading some mails, participate in a video conference, and I mean, all of that are things that will be possible.
Let's talk about your expansion in the U.S. You have the plant that you're building in South Carolina, which you recently announced, look, you're going to put another $1.2 billion into that plant to further expand it. Any concerns that you're ramping up that production at a time when the market's plateauing here in the United States?
No, I think you have to. I mean, if you look at the business cycle, you will always be in the wrong timing. So I think you have to see this long term. We want to be more present on this market. We want to grow, and then you have to come closer to the customers. So we are now setting up US will be a home region, a home market for us. We have the factory, but we are also expanding in this part of America with more development centers in Mountain View. We have a design center. So we need to come closer to our customers to really know their what they want and then deliver the right product.
Hakan Samuelsson, the CEO of Volvo. Guys, I'm impressed. He did media interviews, not long ago in China, today in China, and just flew in, just landed, and he's talking with us now. Back to you.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.